Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and unbox this. So, Swagtron Swagger 5 is a folding electric scooter. I actually was interested in it for a long time now, but they got it in stock and they agreed on sending me one. And Swagtron is, I believe, an established brand by now. Oh, I like the color scheme. Swagtron, Swagger S5. Yeah, I really like the color scheme, to be frank with you. Let's get it out of the box. Oh yeah. Stay with me. Yes. Oh my god, yes. So it folds in 4 steps, turn the color counterclockwise, ta-da-dee-ta-da-da. This is what it looks like and folds like that. Hey to that camera. So, oh, there's actually a water bottle here as well. There's an iPhone folder. Oh, a phone mount. Phone mount is actually in here. That's awesome. This video might be a bit dark by now. Let me help you with that. Boom. Oh no. Okay. Sorry about the darkness of the video. I'll try to fix it in the edit. Oh, have you seen the view, by the way? This is the UN building, and you have the Empire State Building here. And I will roam around beautiful New York City with this amazing ride. Hashtag ride beyond. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use on my Instagram. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Oh, there's an app. The max speed is apparently 18 kilometers per hour and the maximum range is 18 miles. Whoa, that. And the maximum rider weight is 320 pounds. That is amazing. And the thingy itself, the scooter itself, is 26 pounds. In kilos, that's a lot of kilos. 320 to be frank with you. I think it's 140, 150 kilos. And that I read on the 26 pounds is about 12, 13 kilos. And the max speed number is, I believe, 25, 26. And similar thing applies in kilometers for the range. I mean, if this thing can give me a 250 pounds guy 10 miles range, which is what, 15 kilometers, that's actually amazing. Apparently there are 3 speed modes. There's cruise control, which is so nice to have. It's eco-friendly. There's trip tracking. I will download the app as soon as I unbox this, and of course it's a Bluetooth connection. I'm curious about how much like setup does this thing require. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Sorry, yes, there's a GoPro attached to my chest. I know it looks weird, but I think it gives you a nice first-person idea of how this thing works. Oh, yeah, it's like a new car. Let's see, what do we have here? Could be the charger. Yes. Oh, it's an interesting charger. Yeah, the charging brick is here. Where's the other side? Oh, yeah, there's no second cable, which is amazing. You just plug this part and this part to the scooter somewhere. This is key. I'm gonna keep it here. Boom. We have some extras. Yeah, right. Oh, comes out. Warning, there are some warnings here. But these look like the handles. Warning, during assembly remove the tape. May cause the end cap to shift, fail, reinsert the end cap. Ta-da-dee, ta-da-da. Okay, so I'll make sure. Oh, did you guys miss this? Yeah, this is what happens basically. So I need to put it back in place, remove it. I'm sure this is against all sorts of vibration thingy, because this kind of handles, they have similar handles on my Tianrun electric scooter too. And of course this is a higher quality thing. That's why there's the ring. That's why, oh, this is the left side. This is the right side. Basically it says there's an L here, and that refers to lift. By the way, I'm just doing this, huh? It's not like I read the manual or anything. I think the right course of action for everyone is to read the manual, but this was rather simple for the moment. And this goes obviously here. I mean, I will not finalize the setup, but I will do as much as I can. Yeah. Oh, let me show you from here. Yeah. This is going to be the LCD panel, I think, and it looks gorgeous. Oh, that's the phone mount. There's all sorts of white stuff around. Oh, that's no good. I will end up cleaning all that. And let's take this out. And I think the scooter is almost ready to go. Slide it out. Oh, that's actually gorgeous. Yes. Yes, I mean, I can see why it can bear 320 kilos, because this thing is serious. I mean, this is one of the if not the most solid one, but it's one of the most durable looking, good quality like scooters I've ever unboxed. And of course, having the brakes is an advantage for beginners. I don't use the, well, I never needed it because whoa, where are you heading, buddy? Okay, I never needed the brakes because I never had them too, but the tire size is also impressive here. Like, if I can compare it with the other scooters or electric rides that I have, this is actually pretty big. Warning, please read carefully before unlocking your scooter. Of course not. I don't read things. I'm here to lead, not to read. How does this work? Yeah? Oh, this was it? Well, I'll definitely read it before the ride, but for the moment, I think it's enough. Let's see, what else do we have in the box? What is this? Oh yeah, this is important. To put some pressure on your tires, an extension cable is a really good idea. Then it makes the life a lot easier. I had the extension cable for, I think for the InMotion one, but it worked good as well. So it was possible to do or put air in my tires without it, but with it, of course, it's a lot easier. What else do we have here? I think this is the bottle holder. I don't need the bottle holder. I always roam around with a, I'm curious about the iPhone mount, but cell phone mount, but I never used the bottle thingy. I'm always roaming around with my small men purse. That's why I never needed it. All right, I will read the manual. I will get this ready, and I will shoot an amazing review video. But I think this will be all for the unboxing. I'll just show you around the scooter a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe so you get to see what I'm doing the next. The full review will be ready in a week or two tops. Alright? Thank you very much. See you next time. Ciao.